Today's times are different, especially when considering how rapidly the global business landscape and tax environments are changing. New technology significantly affects how we currently engage with tax compliance and reporting, but with so many unknowns about what will integrate best within your organization, the trickiest part can be just getting started. To ensure success, you'll need the right technology partner, a team that will develop your roadmap, select the best fitting technologies, and help you achieve your current and long-term goals. In a nutshell, you need a tax technology team that goes beyond consulting to actually implement and execute the project. You need Cygnet. At Cygnet, we understand both technology and taxation. We also understand that every organization has their own unique challenges that quite simply a single out-of-the-box solution can never fully solve. This is why the Cygnet Taxation Tool Suite is built for modularity. Think of our taxation technology tools as Lego building blocks. We've created a solution with flexible architecture to adapt to your existing infrastructure, providing a plug-and-play based approach to ensure maximum efficiency and accuracy during implementation. Unique modules of the Cygnet Taxation Tool Suite include data extraction connectors, data mappers, data massagers, and advanced data sync technology. Each of our modules can be set up as a workflow to automate the process robotically, providing you with a seamless experience tracking tax data from the point it's recorded to when it's reported. You'll enjoy limited intervention and faster implementation so your project comes in on time and on budget. With the Cygnet Taxation Tool Suite, all plug-and-play modules quickly collate and organize tax data related to your sales and purchase. They generate missing invoices in bulk, even signing the invoices digitally before mailing. They reconcile taxes at the transaction level and generate e-way bills. They also file tax returns at the click of a button, ensuring timely error reporting, protocol-based notifications, and up-to-date tax reports with audit trails, all from a custom-built, intuitive dashboard for all of your taxation functions. The Cygnet Taxation Tool Suite is already giving peace of mind to hundreds of tax and accounting professionals around the world. You'll find our taxation tools operating in leading banks and financial institutions and large businesses within the oil and gas and manufacturing sectors. So why not put us to the test? See how we can help automate your record-to-report process and win your confidence, business, and trust with our Taxation Tool Suite. Contact us today for a free consultation or visit our website for more information.